Hey there, welcome to Browser How. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the pop-up blocker settings in Edge app. So using the pop-up blocker settings, you can either disable the pop-ups or enable the pop-ups from particular websites. So for that, what we need to do is we need to tap on these three bar options and go to settings, and within the settings, go to privacy and security, and here you would be able to see this option with block pop-ups, and it is currently set to on. You can just open that settings, and you have the toggle switch to enable or disable it. So by default it is turned on. Now if you want to enable the pop-ups for all sites, you can just disable this option and hit on done command. However, this is not a recommended settings. You can use it temporarily because pop-ups generally lead to hacking or the phishing sites. So in that case, what you need to do is you need to temporarily disable the pop-ups, and once you are done with the pop-up work, you can just go back and just enable the pop-up blocker so that it will safeguard you from falling into scam. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Have a great day.